Welcome to the first video of the new year and the first video of the new decade. And on today's episode of Crazy Ben's Car Misadventures, we're going to be taking a look at something to do with my own 2007 Toyota Prius here. Now, I have had this car, well, it was originally my dad's car, but this car has been through so much, and it's basically a refurbished car. But you know what? Enough chit-chat, on with the tutorial. I've already had a failed recording of this. So, anyways, in today's tech video, or car video log, we're going to be updating the map DVD for the nav system in this 07 Prius. Currently, we're running software version 6.1. And as you can see, if I click on covered area here, you can see it covers the US and Canada, which I'm not going to go through this whole thing because you probably, if you own a Prius, you probably already know that. And it would take too much time out of the video. Anyways, what I've done is I ordered myself this, an update DVD from 2010. Now, the seller claims that this will work in a 2006 through 2009 Prius, but since it didn't have the little sleeve in the box, and this is just a generic case, yeah, I'm starting to wonder if this is a bootleg. But we're going to find out. If the car blows up, I'll blame the seller. I won't say your name in case I do have to blame you. Anyways, so the first thing you got to do is, well, I'll slide the seat back, so I'll do it again. You slide the driver's seat all the way forward. There we go. Just like that. And come behind the driver's seat, and you'll see there's a little black box here. You push these two release tabs here, and this piece comes right off. You'll notice under there is an optical drive. So to eject the DVD, we simply push and slide this to the left, and the old disc will eject. Just like that. If I can get you a picture of the disc. There we go. So I'm going to set this to the side. Take the new map DVD. Yes, I know I have a lot of crap in this car. Take the new disc, throw it in, and watch the car explode. No, just kidding. Lock it up. And let's see if this actually freaking works. What do we got? Software loading. Do not turn off the power. Okay. I will not turn off the power then. Or system loading. Do not turn off the power. You and me, we will find out. Okay? I don't have the I agree thing anymore. All right, place your bets. How many of you bet that I'm going to have to drive to California and punch the seller? Yo, we got map. Hell yeah. I'm so happy that that worked. I am ecstatic that that actually worked. I actually did not think that that was going to work. Okay. I'm not just seeing things. Okay. It even saved my bookmark places. Wow. Does it have... Well, hold on a second. Clark Road. Zoom in. Oh. Where am I? Okay. I apparently don't even know where the hell I am. I'm zoomed out so far I can't even see some of the roads. Okay, there we go. That's what I wanted. And does this show that going through? It does! Hooray! So this is a newer map, and I don't have to punch the seller. How about that? Woohoo! All right. All chit-chat aside, it looks like it worked. There's your tutorial, how to update the nav CD in a Toyota Prius. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video on Crazy... Well, I probably can't call this Crazy Ben's Tech Misadventures because then the computer clan would probably sue me for copyright infringement, but I'll think of a more creative name by the time the next episode is uploaded. See you guys later.